Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I posted many lessons, but there is a gap because of some busy routine. Now, inshallah, I will continue your lesson posting. We have started chapter number 4, matter. So, the topic is in continuation. This is pressure. What is pressure? Pressure is defined as a physical force exerted on an object. Pressure is a force per unit area. The force is applied perpendicular to the surface of the object per unit area. The basic formula for pressure is F upon A. F is force and A is the area. So it is force per unit area. And the unit is pascals. PA. Types of pressure are absolute, atmospheric, differential and gauge pressure. You are not concerned with this. This is the pressure. Suppose in a container, the molecule exert pressure on the walls and they collide with one another and with the wall of the container, so they exert pressure on the wall. This is the formula. P equals to F upon A, whereas P is pressure, F is force and A is the area. This is taken from the verb. The pressure exerted by a column of liquid of height h and density rho. This is not P, this is rho. Rho is given by the hydrostatic pressure equation. P pressure equals to rho density, G is the gravity and h is the height. This is also for pressure. The formula for pressure, P equals to rho GH. Now density. Density is mass per unit volume. In this diagram, the light one, density low. When the density low, the thing floats. But when the pressure density is high, the thing sinks. Okay. This is the graph and you are not concerned with this. In this only pressure is discussed, 1000 to 1000 pressure. Okay. This is actually temperature and volume. The graph between V and T. And in this, volume and pressure. Pressure and volume are inversely proportional. So the curve is like this. But for V and T, volume and temperature, it should be a straight line, but it is somewhat different. In thermodynamics and fluid mechanics, compressibility. This is actually compressibility. Compression. The molecules are far apart, especially in gases. So by applying pressure, they compressed. They come closer. So this is compressibility. Compressibility is the measure of the relative volume change of a fluid or solid as a response to a pressure change. Pressure will be changed because by applying pressure, the molecule when come closer they exert pressure. In its simple form, the compressibility beta may be expressed as where V is the volume and P is the pressure. Okay, this is not related with the 9th class student. Now mobility. Mobile. What is mobile? Movable. The gas molecules are movable. They move freely. They are far apart. They are always in continuous motion. So mobility is the ability to move freely. If your basketball injury causes you to lose mobility in your knee, when your knee is injured, you can't move easily because you feel pain. That means you can't move it very well. Mobility often refers to whether you can move an injured body part like a joint or limb, but it can also describe movement in general. Usually it is movement. So gases have mobility, they move freely. The example is you feel good smell, pleasant smell in a garden, in a rose garden. You feel roses smell because the smell, the perfume which is coming out is movable. The molecules of perfume movable. So because they move freely and they collide with one another and with the wall of the container. This is the example of mobility. Everything is in moving, like car is moving, bicycle is moving, cloud moving, smoke is moving, children are moving, so they have mobility. The density of a substance is its mass per unit volume. This is density. The symbol most often used for the density is rho, although the Latin word d, letter D, can also be used mathematically. Density is defined as mass per unit volume, mass divided by volume, where rho is the density and m is the mass and v is the volume. In one box, more molecules they are packed, so they have higher density as compared to the other because they have green disc-like structure. Only few molecules are present, so this second one has lesser density as compared to the first one. I hope you will be cleared with all these terminologies. Okay, revise it. Allah Hafiz.